In a market of billions of people, the 2023 Ford Explorer is distributed in three versions: Trend, Titanium and ST line. Compared to the old version, the Ford Explorer 2023 has a shorter wheelbase by 12 mm, reaching 3,025 mm. The dimensions of length x width x height are 5,063 by 2,004 by 1,778 mm respectively. The upgraded version of the midlife Ford Explorer received many changes to the exterior. The front of the car has a larger grille, designed in a U-shape instead of a hexagon. Depending on the version, the car will come with a grille with chrome or honeycomb multi-point mesh, painted in sporty black. The 2023 Ford Explorer grille is edgeless and rounded at the edges. The headlamp cluster shares a similar rounded design styling and integrates a long daylight positioning LED strip at the front of the car, just above the grille. Below are two vertical air vents with integrated fog lights. The entire facade of the 2023 Ford Explorer stands out even more with the L-shaped chrome rims extending from the front fog light socket to the center air intake and faux silver underbody panels under the front bumper. The body of the Ford Explorer 2023 hasn't changed much compared to the older version. The Trend and Titanium versions will be equipped with 5-spoke dual-spoke wheels, two-tone color scheme. Meanwhile, the ST line version is equipped with flower-shaped 5-spoke dual-spoke wheels. Fitted with 275/45 R21 tires. The rear of the 2023 Ford Explorer features a new C-shaped LED taillight cluster, connected by a central chrome slat. The large Explorer Braille stamp placed on the Ford logo and the two large fake sport exhaust pipes are also noteworthy new details. The biggest change to the 2023 Ford Explorer is in the interior.